Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Crepetray Boot from ECCO. This beautiful and rugged look, got that premium leather with the burnished toe as well as the marks all over to give it that worn-in appeal. Got those goring panels, which got that beautiful brown color to them to really match the look of the boot as well as give you a comfy ride and an easy in and out. On the inside, we've got a super soft leather lining as well as that ECCO FLUIDFORM technology down below with the Comfort Fibre System. It's going to give you long-lasting comfort. Got the innovative ECCO Crepetray outsole and midsole with that stacked heel for a boost in height. It's not only going to give you some comfort, but long-lasting durability and grip. So you don't want to miss out on this ruggedly handsome boot. It's also going to keep you extra comfy. So go pick it up today from ECCO.